My name's Phillipson and I graduated in Aeronautical Engineering. I've always been interested in engineering, but since I was a kid I used to be always interested in aeroplanes and flight. I always used to go to do plane spotting and stuff like that, so it really always kind of drawn to that since I was a little kid, which made the mind up quite easy for me really. I think for me, using the simulator that's available at the university, that was like something really cool that you don't get to experience often. A lot of time they either cost a lot of money to do or it's very difficult to try and do something like that often. So to have access to that, especially for my dissertation as well, I use that quite heavily. I was looking at the endless runway concept, which is a 360-degree runway, and whether an instrument landing system could be built on that. So looking at how this concept is technically more efficient and better for the future, but it's never really been created in a full-scale airport and been utilised. So the idea was what I was trying to take one part of what could be taken from today's airports into this new concept and try and see if a landing system would be able to work within this airport as well as the industry standard. I had a business management module and I used that as well in my final year project to use the background theory to be able to explain how the concept would work in general. So that business management sort of helped me sort of understand the different types and parts of what would entail and create the whole concept itself. It's something you wouldn't expect to do, but then when it came to the final year project, it actually helped me out a lot more than I thought it would, because if you don't understand the background theory of the concept in the first place, you can't then try and apply the system that I was trying to do. So that definitely helped me sort of understand the cost-benefit analysis side of what I was doing. It's just something about what you can create which you never thought you'd be able to see. It's that time you sort of, like when I said with the plane spotting, when you're a kid and you just see this aircraft at 200 miles an hour take off like it's nothing, and you just think, how does that happen? And then when you get into engineering itself, you get to see all the different components that make up that together, and that's what I think excites me, is the fact that you are understanding how that works and you can create different and new versions of that.